So apparently, Homeboys got Gojes mula sa Selangor Red Giants on loan and Escalera mula sa TNC Pro Team para sa darating na Snapdragon Pro Series. Know what time it is? Hands in. Last season ng MPL Malaysia, Homeboys really didn't leave a mark. Yes, Udel was there as one of their memorable players, pero aside from that, wala na masyado nangyari. So this is their next step para mas lalong umugong ba yung pangalan nila sa larangan ng MPL MY, gaya no nangyari a few seasons before. Because when Chibi, Sorn, Warlord left, it was no longer the same para sa Homeboys. So this is them trying to restore former glory, kumbaga, by adding Gojes, which I think is a really good move. Kasi kung ikaw si Gojes, hindi ka masyado nakakapaglaro kasi Cram has your spot sa SRG, diba? So this is a good situation for number 1, him to get playing time. And number 2, maipakita yung value niya. Kasi yes, naka-loan siya sa HB. Pero pag binili siya ng Homeboys, pwede.